Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add text to path in GIMP and edit it. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to File and then you need to go to New. Here we need to create a new image, so I type width and height and I click OK button. And after that we need to go to Text tool, I click on it, then I click somewhere on the background and I need to change color from white to black because it will be visible then, so I click OK here and then I type simple text. Of course you can change size of the font, everything depends on your preferences, okay? And now we need to click right mouse button on our text, and here we have something like text to path. It will create a path from outlines of the current text. So I click on it, and now we can click on this one icon, because here we can find all paths available on our project. So now I will go back to layers and I will make simple text invisible, so I click on this one option, and then I go back to paths and I will make visible this path by clicking here. And how you see our path is visible now, we can click right mouse button here and then we need to click edit path. We will be able to modify this path. So for example, I will move this point to the left side, this point to the upper side. You can really modify this path how you want and adjust this path to your project. So how you see, it really works. So if I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And let me know in comment if it solved your problem.